or unpackaging of some goodies that I ordered from Two Sister Jam. And they're out of Texas. And let's take a look. Every time they send me something, it is always packaged so beautifully. Look at this. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, ladies, for such gorgeous packaging. Woo! Giving me chills. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. All righty. Turn this pretty paper over. Don't you just love the sounds of packaging? I know I do. Oh, yes. Now, this is the package that has all those little tiny doilies in it, and the little scrap doily pieces that, oh, they're just so beautiful on clusters. Shabby Chic heaven. Look at this. Oh, and look at these little cuties they sent me. How sweet. I love those. Yes, thank you, ladies. Thank you. Like I said, they're called Two Sister Jam. It's two sisters that they have a Facebook group, they have a YouTube channel, and of course, they have an Etsy shop. Oh, look at those. Look at those. How beautiful. Nice. I love those. I love them. Gorgeous. Ooh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful, ladies. Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. I hope the camera's picking up that sheen and the gorgeousness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh, look. Look at those flowers. Oh, I got chills all over. This is just stunning. These ladies are so generous. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And these are the little small ones. Oh, I love it. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. Now we've got some gorgeous appliques. These are a Shabby Chic dream. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Thank you, ladies, so much. Let's see what we got inside of here. A little extra piece of pink. See how they package everything? It's just so beautiful. Get this little staple out. Up here so you can admire them. Oh, buttons. Yes. Ooh, look at all these gorgeous buttons. Oh, yes. And right now we're working with blues and creams and pinks. And they've just loaded me up on the goodies. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. And then we've got some of this beautiful pink lace. I used all of mine. I had to have more. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at this trim. Oh, I love that color. It's like a rose pink, a warm pink. So pretty. Yes. Thank you so much for the extra goodies, ladies. Oh my goodness. I had a whole roll of this and I ran out and I couldn't stand it. I should have bought two. It's okay. I know what to do. Beautiful. See? Yeah. Oh, it looks so good coming out of a journal. Oh, it really does. And this, I have this in gold and now I've got it in pink. You see that shine? Oh my. I hope you can. Beautiful. Ooh, I wasn't sure what this was going to look like. It's beautiful. It's crocheted lace. Nice. And then some more of that beautiful trim. And then we've got the paper section. So we'll go ahead and let you guys slide. And let's see what we've got here. Ooh, I see some things peeking out. I sure do. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Your generosity just makes me want to cry. Beautiful. Ooh, beautiful. Yes, 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 yes. Cannot wait to use that. Look at that trim. It's just shimmering and sparkling with all its grandeur. Oh, perfect timing for the little heart doilies. I got a vintage paper pack, and looks like we've got some music and all kinds of just assorted vintage goodies. Oh, sorry about that. Can you put, thank you. Oh, wow. All kinds of vintage goodies. Thank you so much for the doilies. The paper doilies. They're so cute. Ooh, I like that. I've had one similar to it. It was much larger. This is the perfect size. I love that. Entrance of the Gods to Walhalla. Nice. Lots of music paper. Just assorted types of music paper. I use a lot of music paper. I love that. Oh, I love it. Yeah. skipping some sheets here, ladies, but I want you to have the idea. Now, I opened the package, but I didn't get anything out. I just slid this out so that you all could see all this with me. Oh, they're ledger paper. Yes. They're beautiful ledger paper. Orange, Texas. And that's a census ledger. Oh, how neat. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, and it's got pink and blue. It's absolutely perfect. And that's a wrap on today's craft supply unboxing. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these vintage goodies as much as I love sharing them with you. I'm already bursting with ideas on how to use these beautiful pieces in my next projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a creative adventure with me. What was your favorite item from the haul? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any ideas for projects using these supplies, I'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and happy crafting. Bye.